Hello, I am Ekaterina Pryanikova and this is my channel. On my second channel Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creation some footage as requires some price plugins. In this video I will show how the button press. You can slow it down via YouTube player. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with a couple of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.